The new Spotify Camp Nou, progress towards a monumental future. In this video, we will watch the exciting progress of the monumental renovation of FC Barcelona's iconic Camp Nou. As the club prepares for its much-anticipated return, we'll explore the latest updates on how this historic stadium is being transformed into a state-of-the-art footballing masterpiece. A $1 million a day transformation. The ambitious project, which costs around $1 million daily and involves a workforce of approximately 2,000, aims to modernize the historic stadium while maintaining its legendary essence. Progress on construction. The third-tier structure is under active development, and blue and red seats have already been installed on the first and second levels. Impressively, 800 seats are being added every day. Barcelona plans to host their first game at the revamped Camp Nou by early February 2025 against Alaves. However, potential delays could push this timeline slightly. A modernized marvel. When partially reopened, the stadium will feature 62,000 operational seats, improved lighting, modern bathrooms, catering services, and 200 parking spaces, expanding to 4,000 seats upon full completion. By summer 2026, further enhancements such as the third-tier completion and the installation of a 50,000 square meter roof are expected to be finalized. Accessibility will also improve with the addition of escalators and 30 elevators. VIP experiences and surrounding upgrades. The renovation includes a double VIP ring between the second and third tiers, accommodating 7,500 seats for an exclusive fan experience. Surrounding the stadium, a pedestrian-friendly promenade will feature amenities designed to enrich the overall experience for visitors. Camp Nou is on track to become an unparalleled footballing destination, combining modernity with its storied legacy. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.